Everything that you see was generated with Video Express AI 3.0.
Cool, right? My bad.
They really stepped their game up. It's only been 2 years. I'm glad we got the tech right, mate. They still got some bugs to work out, though, like the consistent character accent.
I honestly think that you need to learn how to prompt better with this software, but let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial and show you what Video Express AI 3.0 can do. But let me show you some of the creations that I've actually created with the software first.
Say hello to my little friend.
Video Express AI 3.0. What it can do, what it cannot do, and is it worth your time and money? You already know there are tons of AI video softwares out there, but this one right here blew me away. And some of the users say it actually competes with Google Veo 3. Now let me show you why. Let me go over to my library here, go down to My AI Videos, but first let me go ahead and expand so you can see the whole entire layout. Go over to My AI Videos, boom. You can see some of the videos that I have already created. I've actually been playing around with this software. Let me show you some of my favorite ones and some of the ones that are actually jacked up because I wanted to push it and see what it can do.
This is 1912 and I'm at the Titanic departure dock in Southampton and it smells like poop and dookie.
Oh, my bad. I'm Nova Scotia. And if you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. We talk about AI tools and how to make money with them. And if you want to pick up this software, I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can play around with the software yourself. This software is a one-time purchase software. You purchase it one time and you get access to this software for life. I've actually been using it to run multiple Faceless YouTube and Facebook animation channels. And this is, yeah. So let me show you some of my creations.
Take me to jail, lock me up, throw away the key. I ain't afraid to fuck somebody.
So as you can see, this thing just goes all in. It goes crazy, you know? I've been playing around with some of the fruit characters here.
You ain't shit, you're fired. Get out of my face.
But I have kids.
All right, let me show you some more videos I created here.
If I was black, I'd pull up late to work and still say, y'all started early. That's crazy.
If you ask for fresh fries, I am staring through your soul until you leave!
Yeah, these things get really insane. These videos, they begin, so I'm sorry about that. So if you want to go to if you want to know the prompts for each one of these videos, I'll make an additional video about that. But when you go down to redesign, it shows you the prompt that I used for that video. I uploaded the image right here of my guy, right here, and I put down to he is hysterically laughing. And I hit advance and hit 10 seconds and generate video. That's simple. This is a very easy software to use right here. So let me go over here back to where I was at, right? For this right here, redesign. All right, when you go to lip sync, you allow to enter your content on the next page here. So go down here and then go down to, and this is the same scene, but for the scene that I use, and I actually got from Perplexity, I take the audio here and I cut it and I paste it and put it over here. So once I got my audio on this side here, hit generate video, and this is the video that I got right here. Like I said, it's real easy to actually use this software. Let me go ahead and show you some more videos that I've actually made with this software. I always like expanding it because it gives me a better view. Show you this one right here.
Welcome to McDonald's. Can I take your order?
Yes, one of everything. And pray for me.
All right, show you some more. These are ones right here. I tried to test it out and see what it does.
Explaining what's going on in 12 at the Titanic departure dock in Southampton. Explaining what's going on around here. And I was sentenced, though, at the Titisabuya dock in Southampton.
So that came out pretty good, but I didn't do the prompt right. I can admit to that. I went to advanced mode and set it to 10 seconds. I actually should have took it over to lip sync. Let me go to lip sync, paste it here. All right, so let me go and copy the prompt right here, right? I got to edit the prompt here. I put speak it in English because last time she wasn't even speaking in English here. I would just go ahead with that right there. Create video. We'll see how this looks in a second. So I would actually recommend you, if you want to use this software right here, I actually create all my scenes inside of Google Flow. Yeah, this software actually can do some stuff as far as creating images. Let me go ahead and show you the images that they can create as well. As you go down to Smart Edit here, let's say you took an image right here. We have an image, right? And I want this software to do what I actually told Shoot None of Banana to do. So I'm paste it right there. I said bring, I want to say bring. So, all right, so automatically, and I don't want to do that. I want to keep it in 3D and put 3 image. See, this is landscape and portrait. It's already a portrait here, so it should actually convert this to landscape. Like any video that you want to create, you want to actually create scene by scene. So, okay, so it actually did do whatever. Okay, this one is better right here. I like the way it gave me two versions here. So this is what it gave me here. Well, this is what Nana Banana gave. Of course, Nana Banana is going to be way better, but it still give me a pretty interesting voice. I'm going to go ahead and save this image right here so I can save it. Once I save it, I can find all my images inside my AI images, so it does do pretty good stuff with videos. Let me go ahead and take another image here. Let me see. Let's make him into a cowboy. All right, I'm going to keep it at human. Gonna create images. I just want to see what it does for the sky right now. Hopefully this video inspires you to create with this soft. I always go to Perplexity because I'm not a king of prompting. All right, let me see. Ask Perplexity. They actually give me some Wild Wild West scenes. We'll play around with a couple more things inside of here as well. A correctional officer. All right, bam. Take this man, put him into the desert. He's in Wild West. All right, so like I said, it does do some pretty interesting stuff. You just have to be creative. Let me go ahead and hit show more. Play this one.
This is 1912, and I'm at the Titanic departure dock
All right,
in
go
Southampton.
down to generate video blog. A front-facing phone shot character. All right, the phone stuff is probably what threw the software off. Let me go ahead and give it another shot. Log style of I like to play around with the software to see what it does. All right, I'm just playing around with this one. All right, let me play this one. Go ahead and expand. Let me show you some more videos that I've created with this software right here.
O Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou Romeo?
Do you not see me, my love? I'm here, right in your face, love.
The fault, dear Brutus, is not in our stars, but in ourselves. To be or not to be, that is the question.
I ain't gonna lie, girl, it smells terrible in this bitch. I will never eat in the 1500s again.
Told you, ass, if you eat another piece of my chicken, I would smoke your ass.
Never mind the gun that I had on me. Did you say gun?
Look at this! Chicks with dicks? There are no chicks with dicks, Johnny, only guys with tits!
So I like what it did here. It
A
gave her a
maid might
consistent
pass
voice
thee a
for
look
all of the
that meant,
videos that I've created
"Stranger,
with her.
Thou askest who I am, and how my days are spent within this heavy house. I would build her as 18 years old, dressed and styled like a younger Juliet-style character feels more like innocence, control, and forced family duty.
All right, so let me go ahead and make her redesign this right here. Because I'm going to give her one more scene. And that's just pretty much simple here. I put just the prompt, she's speaking to the camera, and then what she's talking about. All right, so I'm going to go play around with this some more to give her some more scenes. I'm going to do this later on. This is the one I just created here.
This is 1912, and I'm at the Titanic departure dock in Southampton, and it smells like poop and dookie.